Yo, let me show you what's next. It's JSX, a mix of JavaScript with HTML flex. It looks like markup, but it's really code. React, you reads it when your app's in load. You write your UI like it's HTML, but under the hood, it's JavaScript spells. Wanna make a button, write it clean, then drop some logic like count one on the scene. It's JSX, not plain HTML. It's JavaScript syntax dressed up well. React's best friend when you build those views. Write in tags, just put your code in too. You can't just use class, not class name, cause JS got rules and they ain't the same. Every tag must close, don't forget that part. Like MG, keep it sharp and smart. Wrap all your tags in a single root. No stray elements, React don't compute. You can write loops, you can drop a map. Use curly braces to bring JavaScript into the trap. Dynamic list, now that's a wrap. It ain't raw HTML, don't get it twisted. JSX gets compiled, it's pre-assisted. Babel breaks it down to React.create so the browser can run it. Isn't that great? JSX, the dev's delight. Mix of logic and layout, all in sight. Write your UI with JavaScript brain. React